So today, guys, we are break. Let's start first. So today, guys, I'm one of Giro's friends, and today I'm playing Future Fuck from Sion videos. Let's see my first attempt. This is gonna be a good attempt. Oh, 8%. That was not a good attempt. Yeah, sorry for my English is sorry, my English is very bad because I'm Finnish and I can spell English probably. Probably. Yeah, that's how you spell it. You guys want to hear my British accent? Hello, mate. You want some tea? 10.67. Better attempt than last time. My days, I died on a double spike. Sorry for that, guys. I started to weaken a little bit.